Good morning, student. Today I teach you a most important reaction. This is halopharm reaction. By this reaction, we can prepare several type of halopharm. Means CHCl3. This is chloroform. CHBr3 bromopharm or CHI3 iodoform. So it is a most important reaction, and be serious in this reaction. We can say about reaction when a special group. Now we discuss about what are these special group for this reaction. When a special group of hydrocarbon is react with halogen in the presence of base. Base may be KOH, potassium hydroxide, or NaOH, sodium hydroxide. In the presence of base, halopharm is formed. Means we have a base, any halogen, and some special group. Then we discuss what are the special group which present the halopharm reaction. We have four type of group which gives the halopharm reaction. First one is the in primary alcohol only ethanol, means only CH3 CH2OH. This means ethyl alcohol give halopharm reaction. And in secondary alcohol all to all, means these type of secondary alcohol having OH group at the second carbon. These type of secondary alcohol which have OH group at the second carbon, like this example 1, 2, 3, 4, and here second position have OH. Means in secondary alcohol all to all having second position with OH. And in aldehyde only acetaldehyde, means not all type of, means formaldehyde does not give the halopharm reaction, only acetaldehyde which is called as also ethanol. CH3CHO, only this, not propanaldehyde, not formaldehyde, only acetaldehyde, means ethanol gives halopharm reaction. And in ketone only 2-ol, like alcohol only 2-ol, means this type of alcohol which have OH at second carbon. And similarly in ketone, this type of ketone which have CO, means carbonyl group at the second carbon, it gives the halopharm reaction. So these four are special groups of hydrocarbon. Means these four group of hydrocarbon when treated with a base in the presence of base with halogen gives the halopharm. And halopharm is CH3Cl, CH3Br, and CH3I. So now it is clear that we have four type of hydrocarbons which gives the halopharm reaction. So we can say that group means above group plus base, any base, and plus halogen, we form the halopharm. So this is the important point of the reaction. Means above group, base, and base KOH or NaOH. Halogen means chlorine, bromine, or iodine react together and form the halopharm. Now reaction is presented like CH3 CH2OH plus 3Br2 plus 4 KOH gives out CHBr3 plus 3KBr plus 4H2O plus HCOOK. Or this is with ethanol. And with ketone, this is the ketone. In ketone only 2-ol or C double bond O and CH3 plus 3Br2 plus 4 KOH gives out BH3. This is the bromoform plus KOH. These are the side products. This is the important product of the halopharm reaction which is called as bromoform. By this method we also can prepare the chloroform or iodoform. Here we use the ethanol, means first group, or fourth ketone. We can also prepare the halophar with second and third, means with the secondary alcohol or with acetaldehyde. Now we discuss the mechanism of this reaction. This is the typical mechanism of this reaction, and mechanism can be prepared in 10 steps. In the first step, we take the ketone. This is the ketone, and having 1 and 2nd position have ketone group. We have base KOH. KOH dissociate to form K plus and OH minus. K plus and OH minus. And we have 4 KOH in the ketone. Then we have 4 OH minus, means 4 hydroxide ion in this reaction. First, 1 mole of hydroxide ion attack to first carbon and remove H2O, means OH and here H plus. Remove and form H2, remove H2O, and this ketone is converted in a ion which is R, C double bond O, and C minus H and H, and H, here the H is removed in the form of H plus. Now a mole of bromine, Br2. Here bromine is dissociate heterolytic bond fission. Dissociation of bromine takes place by heterolytic bond fission, and bond breaking is this type, and form B plus and B minus, means bromine positive ion and bromide ion. And the bromine positive ion attack to carbon negative ion and form a single bond with carbon, and means bromine form the single bond with carbon, and this is present as R, C double bond O, C, and single bond Br, H and H. Similarly to this, here carbon, negative charge carbon and positive charge bromine form a single bond, CBr. Now and here we can see that when 1 molecule of OH and 1 molecule of Br plus attack to the carbon, remove 1 hydrogen and add 1 bromine. Similarly, we can add 2 other hydroxide ion and 2 other bromine molecule, and also replace these 2 hydrogen with the ketone, and a final product have R, C double bond O, C, Br, Br and Br, means all the 3 hydrogen of this carbon are replaced by the OH and Br2, OH minus and Br2. This is the fourth step of the first reaction. Now the second step is start with attack of OH minus ion. Here the also reaction start with the OH minus ion, but different is that here the hydroxide ion is attacked to the first carbon, but here hydroxide ion is attacked to the second carbon. This is the first carbon, this is the second. Attack to the second carbon, and C double bond O is break because oxygen is electronegative and form O minus and C plus. Now OH, means hydroxide ion, form a single bond with this carbon. In first step, hydroxide ion remove the H plus ion, but in fifth step, hydroxide ion form a single bond with second carbon because this carbon had no hydrogen atom. And form a most reactive unstable compound, which is shown as R, C, single bond O, single bond C, Br, and OH. Here we seen that between these carbon atom we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electronegative element. So a repulsion is caused between the carbon. So this bond is break. As this type, and this carbon atom form negative charge, and this carbon atom form the positive charge, and product is present as R, C double bond O, R single bond C double bond O and OH and C minus Br and Br. Now this hydrogen atom moves toward this carbon and form the H. This hydrogen atom moves toward this carbon and form the H single bond C Br and Br, and this is the CHBr3, which is called the bromophore, and this is a side product for the reaction. So this, in this way we can see that bromophore is formed at the 9th step of the reaction. Thank you.